Hey guys, welcome back, and now in this video we're gonna talk about official stable update of 9.0 Pi for Xiaomi Mi 1. I have updated my phone, so I am skipping the installation process. To install this, make sure you are on November security update. Now first, let's go to system settings, about phone. As you can see, Android version is 9 Pi and Android security patch level is from December 5 and build number is 10.0.3.0 with very outdated version of kernel which is 3.18. This is the default home screen and launcher is now changed to quick step from launcher 3. About the launcher features, you have rounded Google search bar at the bottom. With this, you can quickly access the Google Assistant and Google search. On the top, you have date, time and weather widget. If you long press on empty space of the home screen, you can change home settings, add widgets and change wallpapers. Now with Pi update, you are getting app actions in the launcher settings. One thing I really liked about this update, even though Xiaomi Mi 1 has hardware button, but still Xiaomi has provided the swipe up on home button. By default, the hardware buttons are activated, but if you want to enable the swipe gestures, just go to settings, system, about phone, gestures and enable swipe up on home button. Now swipe fingerprint for notification gestures is also back, but do notice if you enable this option, hardware buttons will be disabled but still backlight will be on. About the gestures, you can swipe up on the pill or home button to get the recents menu. Long swipe will get you the app drawer. When you swipe all the open tabs to the right, you get the clear all button. If you swipe up, you will get the recent tab and swipe up to close it, and there is a slider to switch between the open tabs. If you swipe once on the pill to right, you can access the next tab, and when you hit the app icon on the open tab, you can enable the split screen mode. This is the new Android Pi volume slider, and by default you can adjust the media volume. You also get options to set your phone to ring, silent and vibrate mode. When you hit the settings icon, you can go to sounds tab, and in this tab there is a separate slider for call volume. This is notification and quick settings panel. Quick toggles are green and circular, and style of quick toggles and the notification panel is based on the device theme. About the other notification, you can now manually control the notification and disable or set it based on your priority. This is settings panel with colored icons, and this is the search bar at the top. First we have network and internet tab. Everything about network is great. 2G, 3G, 4G, VoLTE works. I tried VoLTE with my Jio SIM and it works great. In Wi-Fi, there is a dual band Wi-Fi option too. Wi-Fi is working without any issues. And this is the Bluetooth tab. Pairing with devices is easy and have no issues. There is a apps and notification tab with recently opened tabs on the top. This is an option here, got time spent in apps, where you can find the screen on time of all of your apps you have used. Next you have notification settings, defaults app, where you can change the defaults app for various services and special app access or new do not disturb mode. Under battery tab, there is a battery saver mode. You can turn it on automatically from 5% to 75%. Adaptive battery, which limits the battery usage for infrequently used apps. You can enable battery percentage on the status bar, and below that you can find the battery stats. Next, under display tab, you have brightness level, night light works, adaptive brightness have no issues, sleep timer, font size, display size, ambient display which is working fine, and under device theme, you can set it to automatically based on wallpaper, or you can force it to dark or light, and the theming applies to the notification, quick settings, volume slider and app drawer only. Under security and location, you can find fingerprint option. Setting up is easy and fingerprint is same as before, unlocks in about a second. If you go to lock screen preferences, you will get this new show lockdown option which can disable the fingerprint and smart lock and notification, and the only way to unlock your phone is via the patron lock. Next, with Android Pi update, you get this new accessibility menu. You can activate this menu under accessibility tab. Once enabled, the accessibility menu shows on the swipe up on nav bar. So with this accessibility menu, you can activate the Google Assistant, go to accessibility menu, trigger the power and volume menus, open recents menu, lock the screen, quick settings and notification. You can also take screenshot with this. In my opinion, this is a very great feature in Android Pi. By default, you don't get digital well-being. You have to manually install this from Google Play Store or update this, and you need to sign as a beta tester. Once downloaded, you can see the digital well-being in the settings menu. There is a dashboard and you can set timers for the apps and check their usage. And with wind down here, you can enable grayscale, which does the entire screen to gray. Next, on the Play Store, you can find updates for some of your system apps like phone, contacts, Google Lens and other. About the camera app, nothing has changed. The shutter speed is fast, no front portrait mode or ES update on videos. FM radio app is there and it works too. You are also getting Google's Files Group reinstalled with this update. And about benchmarks, the Geekbench score for single CPU core is 871 and multi-core score is 4386. And Antutu version 7 score is 78,714. So that's it. I hope you guys liked it, and hit the like button if you find this video helpful. So if you guys have any queries or any issues while using this ROM, do let me know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching and I see you guys next time.